Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be creating a custom screw conveyor using extrude, shell, and swept features in SOLIDWORKS. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. So, let's get started. In this video, all the dimensions are measured in inches. Click on the Unit System area and select IPS. We will begin by creating a sketch for the base feature, the first or parent feature of our model. Activate the Sketch tool and select Front Plane as the sketching plane. You are now in the sketching environment. Activate the Circle tool and draw a circle here. After creating the circle, right-click and then click on Select to exit the tool. Now, activate the Smart Dimension tool and set the diameter of this circle to 10 inches. Next, we will extrude it to add material. Now, go to the feature. Activate the Extrude Boss tool. Select mid-plane here and set the extrusion depth as 200 inches. You can see the preview. Now, click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of extrude feature. Next, go to the Sketch tab. Activate the Sketch tool and select this surface as the sketching plane. Now, activate the Circle tool and draw a circle here. Now, activate the Smart Dimension tool and set the diameter of the circle as 6 inches. Now we will extrude it to add material. Go to the feature. Activate the Extrude Boss tool. Select Blind here and set the extrusion depth as 20 inches. Next, we will mirror this feature. Go here and activate the Mirror tool. Select Front Plane as the mirror plane. Activate this feature to Mirror option. Then go here and select Previously Created Extrude feature. Now click on the green tick mark to exit the tool. Next, activate the Shell tool. Go here and set the thickness as 2 inches. Click on the green tick mark. You can see the section view. Activate this section view tool. Select this, and here you can see. Now close this. Next, we will create the reference plane. Select this face. Now go to the reference geometry. Click here and select plane. Then go here and set the offset distance as 10 inches. Click on this Flip Offset checkbox here. Preview appears. Now click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of reference plane. Now, activate the Sketch tool and select this circular edge. Then, click on the Convert Entities tool to project this edge onto a sketch. Next, we will create the helix. Go to the feature, then to the curve. Click here, select helix and spiral here. Select pitch and revolution here. Select constant pitch here. Set the pitch as 25 inches. Click on the reverse direction checkbox. Set the revolutions as 7.5 inches. Set the start angle as 45 degrees, and clockwise is already selected here. You can see the preview. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of helix curves. You can hide the plane from here. Next, we will create the reference plane. Zoom it and select this point. Now, go to the reference geometry and select plane here, and then select top plane as the second reference. Preview appears. Click on the green tick mark to confirm the creation of reference plane. Now activate the Sketch tool, and then activate the Line tool. Go here and draw a horizontal line from this endpoint like this. Now an inclined line. And then close the sketch. After creating the sketch, right-click and then click on Select to exit the tool. Now, select these two inclined lines with Control key and set the equal relation between them. Now, activate the Smart Dimension tool and then select this inclined line and set the horizontal distance as 14 inches. Now, select this horizontal line and set the horizontal distance as 4 inches. Now, select this horizontal line and the origin point and set the distance same as appears. You can see, after applying all the dimensions and relation, the sketch become fully defined and all entities turn black. Next, we will sweep this sketch. Go to the feature. Activate the Swept Boss tool. The sketch is already selected here. Select Helix as path here. You can see the preview. Click on the green tick mark. You can hide the plane and helix from here. Now, we will apply the fillet. Activate the Fillet tool. Select Constant Size Fillet and set the fillet radius as 1 inch here. Go here and select these edges to apply the fillet. Now click on the green tick mark. Activate the Fillet tool again. Select Constant Size Fillet and set the fillet radius as 0.2 inch here. Go here and select these edges to apply the fillet. Now click here. Next, we will apply the material. Go to the material, then right-click, then click on Edit Material. You can see SOLIDWORKS Material Library is already open here. Open Steel Material. Scroll down and select Cast Carbon Steel, and then click on Apply. And now close this. You can see the current model looks like this. And now we can change the view also. Go here, click on this arrow, and then click on this shaded option. Now you can see the shaded view of this model. And that's it! You have now created a screw conveyor in SOLIDWORKS. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.